here we are, fourth and final night of our 4 meals for 4 people for under $40. Tonight we're going to be doing a chicken burrito bar where you can make your own. Just a few things before we get started. I hope this has helped some people, and I hope you give it a try. I hope you've enjoyed it. My silliness, whatever. And in all honesty, it has kind of been meals for 5, but as I've told you before, my wife's vegetarian, so she hasn't participated in the chicken portion of it. And in my favor, everything has been plated at the end of my times. It's not just cooking and preparing the meal. That's with plates presented for everybody to just come grab a plate. So I think I've done pretty good. And I think everybody's kind of been looking forward to burrito night too. We seem to have a house full of burrito lovers. One more thing, I have a new friend on YouTube that you need to check out. It is X-Man Wood-Fired Pizza and Grill. If I'm ever in South Africa, I'm going to this guy's house. Hopefully he'll have me over. Maybe he won't, I don't know. But I want to go have some of his food. He does a lava steak and some prime rib and various other things. Some ribs that look like they came from a stinking Tyrannosaurus Rex. I don't know how they grow them down there, but these things were massive. Check him out. Here's his stuff. That's X-Man Wood-Fired Pizza and Grill. I want to see you do a pizza, bro. I'm a pizza man. And you can also go right there and look. Also, if you haven't been following along on this and you're not sure what I'm doing with the 4 meals for 4 people for under $40, check that out right there. That's how this all got started. So, with that being said, again, nothing sitting out. Starting from pulling things out, opening stuff, shredding cheese, whatever I'm gonna do. Starts right now, 6:58. See how long it takes. I've never seen that big of a block of sliced cheese. I screwed up and bought sliced cheese. Guess we're having sliced cheese on our burritos. Don't have to grate it. I have a little bit of my favorite kind of cheese, pepper jack, left. I'm gonna shred that up for me. Burrito bar is served 7:13. What's that? 15 minutes? We're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the 4 meals for 4 people for under $40. It's been general consensus that the boys have all been pretty happy with the meals. So, is that right, Jace? All right, he's not listening. Normally he listens to everything, but be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bells. Be good, people, and have a good night.